Hello, wonderful partners. This is Carrie, and I've got another quick video for you this month to go over some new features of the data form. First and foremost, thank you so much for all of your patience with the new form last month. We really appreciate you all taking the time to go through that, to watch the video. You guys did an amazing job, and you had some really great questions. There were definitely a few things that I needed to cover in the video last month that I did not, and I will talk about them in this video here. So thank you for going through it, and thank you for your patience. So this will be another quick video. We will go through some new features, and if you are new to this process or you didn't fill out the form last month, make sure you watch the first video, which is also posted in the email. And that'll go through the basics. This is sort of the advanced video once you've got 1 month's worth of data reported. You're going to get into your form this month, just like you did last month, by going to the link that Rick sends you to that web page with all of your organizations listed. Click on your link, and it will take you to a page that looks a lot like this. This is your monthly reporting queue. As you can see here, this is our test page, but we've got 1 month's worth of data last September. Yours will look a lot like this if you submitted data last month. But what you're going to do is go ahead and start a new report. Of course, our reporting period for this month is October. It's October 1st through the 31st. That's the reporting period. I do want to note, this is one question that I got. If you did not distribute diapers, you still need to come into the form and click the Did Not Distribute Diapers button, which is up here at the top. Another thing you need to do, and I didn't mention this last month, is if you did not distribute diapers, but you still have diapers in storage, click that box, but also enter in the number of diapers you still have in storage. We want to know if you distributed or if you didn't, but we also need to know how many diapers you have left in storage. So that was one question that we got. So once you fill out your information, we'll do this very quickly. What you're going to do, the real change for this month is how you enter your zip code data. And the good news is, well, not that many diapers. The good news is that this is going to be a lot easier, especially for those of you that serve the same zip codes month over month. And so I'm going to show you exactly how easy it will be once you get all this information filled out quickly. First things first, come down to the bottom of the page and make sure your totals are accurate. Make sure the number of babies, the number of families, and the number of diapers are accurate before you start in on your zip code data. If that looks good, come on down here. You've got two options. One, like last month, you can enter the zip codes as though they are new, one by one. But if you entered them all in last month and you know you have a lot of the same zip codes to report on, you can go ahead and click the Copy Zip Codes from Previous Month button. And that is exactly what will happen. So I had 5 zip codes from the previous month's report. They're going to show up here. In order to see them, you need to hit the Save button. So once you hit that Save button, they will all populate. But you'll notice that they are all at 0. There's no data in here. So to change that, you go ahead and click into each individual zip code. And you can go ahead and enter the data for each of the zip codes. So you enter it in, hit save, and it'll populate here. All right, and then you go here into the next zip code, enter the data, and you'll notice that there I've got all my data in those 2 zip codes. That may happen with you. You may have more or less zip codes to report on. That's fine. You can leave these at 0. That's not going to impact your report. If they're 0, that's fine. They will just 0 out in our final report. So from there, you should be able to submit if your numbers match up. In this case, they do, and now you're submitted. A couple other issues I want to mention. If you are reporting on unknown zip codes, since I know you can't type the word unknown into the zip code field, it only takes numbers, go ahead and use the number 9999959. That's sort of the placeholder zip code we will use for unknown zip codes, for data for unknown zip codes. Also want to mention, please consolidate your zip codes. I know you get a lot of data in from different clients each month on many different zip codes. A lot of them are in the same zip code. Please consolidate them before you type them into the report. We shouldn't see duplicate zip codes each month. Month over month, sure, but not within the same month. And then finally, I want to mention, please do not submit your report with zip code data that you know is incorrect. It's a lot harder to change it once you have submitted. If you're having issues or you need some extra time, always email me. Let me know, preferably before the 15th. We can either work on it together or kind of figure out what's going on, but it's just a lot easier to fix it before you submit. So those are my big issues, not issues, but my comments for this month. Thank you again for all your time and your patience last month. I think the process has been improved quite a bit. If you've got questions this month, as always, send me an email or give me a call. Happy to work through at any point in time. Just let me know. Thank you so much.